The shop has been busy working on the Iron-Grip Coping Sled. Let's see how it's made. First, the top plate is cut out of sheets of phenolic material on a CNC gantry mill. Next, the aluminum handles are turned on a CNC lathe. On another CNC, the precision machined aluminum base plate is milled. After anodization, the newly designed bridge is laser engraved. The new Iron-Grip Coping Sled is finishing up in production and shipping soon. Stay tuned for more production updates.